This walkthrough covers creating a new patient in Prism. We open on the home dashboard, then move into Patients, the patient registry, the central list of records, with a Register Patient action at the top. Selecting Register Patient opens the form, which captures the minimum needed to open a chart. More can be added later. At the top is the Identity section, an optional photo from Upload or Camera, an auto-generated hospital number, and a field for an old patient ID if you are carrying the record over from a previous system. You enter the patient's name, then the date of birth from the picker. The age fills in automatically and stays synced with it, and set the gender. Below that, the Family section records the father, mother, and spouse, and the Contact section takes the mobile number, an alternate number, and an email, with the choice of notifications by SMS or email. The mobile and email are validated as you type, so an incomplete number or a malformed address is flagged before saving. The Personal section holds education and occupation, the referral source, preferred pronoun, city, state, PIN code, preferred language, and address. Further down, the clinical context fields cover identification marks and any advance directive, followed by informant details and a free text notes field, all optional at this stage. Returning to the top, the clinic and location panel sets the branch where the patient is registered, and the assigned provider is chosen from the full list of clinicians, by name and designation. The Mark as Confidential option restricts the chart to listed users and removes it from search for everyone else. The clinical severity flag ranges from no flag through mild, moderate, and severe, up to a high priority or urgent risk marker. The proforma can be left on auto, which follows the patient's age, or set to adult or child. With the details in place, you save the patient. That opens the new patient's profile, showing the demographics you entered, a wallet for credit balance, and a set of quick actions. Add a new visit, view all visits, schedule an appointment, view appointment history, edit the profile, open the activity log, or merge duplicate patients. Recent visits appear here once they exist.